Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to wax or how I wax my neck, sideburns, so on and so forth. The first thing that you need to do is to set up your wax machine at a temperature that you can take. For me, I will be setting it up at 110 degrees. You have to make sure that you do test on a small area prior to your neck, just because you have to make sure that you can take that heat. Here I put my hair on a bun and now I'm just taking out the parts that I want to wax, and then I will be trimming them with some scissors. Now it is time of the truth. So now that my wax is ready, I will be applying it on those areas that I will be focusing on. In this case, it's going to be my neck. It's going to take more than one time application. Here I had my husband help me just because I was a little coward. Anyhow, I will be doing my sideburns like so. Now, does it hurt? Yes, the neck area does hurt. It is a sensitive area. Here for the sideburns, it doesn't hurt as much. It was quite simple to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my sideburns, and then I will be going back to the neck area. This is what we have so far after one application. I still have a lot to work on, so I will be applying more wax. For some reason, I was having trouble kind of placing the wax where I wanted it, so I had my husband help me out here. I did wax my neck before, but this time I wanted it better, if you will, just so when I do my bun, you don't see a bunch of hair or baby hairs all over. Some people do think that's cute. I don't. So, I'm just gonna, it's very repetitive. You apply the wax and you practically rip it off. So, yeah. After several applications, I still wanted, more of that hair removed. So I had my husband applied a big patch of wax like this one. And it wasn't as bad as it looks. I mean, it does hurt, of course, but what doesn't, right? Beauty is pain sometimes. And here you can see all those hairs on the wax. After that, I went ahead and applied some vitamin E oil, and this is the result. Well, my friends, that is it. I hope that you liked this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.